up? Kill Too Technical. I'm back again with another video. Today, as you can see, Speck also sent me out their Prisdio Perfect Clear for my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So we're going to get OG case that I like. I've used this case on many of my devices that I've purchased in the past. Pretty much, this is just a clear, this is just the Prisdio Perfect Clear for your S22 Ultra. As you can see, it's just a clear hardback case that comes in handy, especially if you like clear cases. Now, this case does have a lot of protection when you put it on the device. As you can see, when you snap it in, this case fits very snug. So once again, you do not have to worry about this case lifting or loosening over time, because this is on here pretty snug. So now let's check out the buttons. These are a little tougher to get to, but they're still nice. Volume up and down is the same. These volume up and down buttons click. The power button doesn't, but you do have a little cushion in there, the little air cushion button, the little detail. That's so nice to me. So on this side, you get nothing. Once you don't get any feet on this side, but I'm pretty much sure if you drop your phone flat down on the corner, you're good to go, because it's a thick corner there. Let's check out for the lippage. You get nice lippage around your case. The lip is very high, a little high and sturdy, so if you drop your phone flat down on the table, you should be good to go, as long as you have a screen protector on. The bottom here, you get your USB charging port, your speaker, good access to your S Pen. And if you drop your phone flat down like this, which I hope you don't do that, but if you do, you should not have to worry about that S Pen popping out, because it sits off deep. It sits deep in the case, so you should be good to go. On this side, it just says Speck right there. Nothing at the top here. Turn it around to the back. You get a nice cutout for your camera. So if you place your phone flat down on the back, you should be good to go. Overall, this is a nice looking and feeling case. You get the Speck logo right there. And this case also comes with wireless charging, just like that. So you're good to go. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube Tech channel. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.